What was the name of this?
Dahi Puri.
Dahi Puri. Dahi Puri.
Very nice.
Kath Puri.
Why they call Dahi Puri? What is Dahi there?
Kath.
Cut. Okay, because
Buffalo.
I came from India. In India they call it Pani Puri. So
No, Dahi Puri.
in Nepal they call Dahi Puri. So they keep some cut. Yeah, cut.
Dhania.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, Dahi Puri, Nepali Dahi Puri for the first time.
Thank you.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Mm.
I don't like. Aduh, man.
You feed him now. Guys, honestly, I feel like I'm not eating Dahi Puri. Or what? Dahi Puri.
Dahi Puri.
I feel like I'm eating butter chicken. This is more than delicious. More than delicious. This is 10 out of 10.